Hi, I'm Corinne Bradd. I'm a demonstrator on the Craft channel and I'm also a designer for Craft's Beautiful magazine, and we're here with you again in Saga's Not Going Out Club so that we can show you another demonstration of a craft idea that you can make in your own home, hopefully from things that you've got knocking around the house so you don't have to go out. It's a little budgie bookmark. Now these are hand-cut budgie motifs, well not motifs, they're almost three-dimensional budgies, made out of scraps of coloured card that you might have knocking around the house. We've got templates for you, and it is just a matter of cutting and sticking. And then if you've got some magnetic strip, rather like the stuff that you make fridge magnets out of, you can apply this to the inside of the budgie so it snaps onto the corner of your page and you can use it as a bookmark. Now if you don't have any coloured card around the house, because I know you're not all crafters, have a look at things like packaging that you would normally put into your recycling. I was looking this morning at the toothpaste tube that I'd got, and there's a large area of quite nice blue that you can cut out and use as coloured card because you don't see the other grey side of it. If you've got nothing like that at all, you've maybe got some white card and some coloured pencils or pens that you can just colour it in. Or if you don't have any paper in the house, perhaps you've got some felt or some fabric, you can stitch them up with embroidery thread and you can lightly stuff them, you can hang them off hoops, you can hang them in the window. They're just a nice motif and just a very pretty, colourful motif to brighten up your house. So if you have a look at our demonstration on the Craft channel, there's motifs, as I say, to download so that you can cut your own templates out from them and enjoy making them. Just do them how you like, and if you want to decorate them with sequins or glitter or anything that you've perhaps got lying around the house, knock yourself out. It's your project, you do it how you want to do it. In the meantime, keep safe and keep not going out.